Hello everybody, my name is Jeff Schneid with Unistrut Service Company. Today we're going to talk about Cush-A-Clamps. For many of you that are familiar with the Cush-A-Clamp, you know this product has been around for quite some time. The primary purpose of the product is to be able to support various different pipe ranging from 1/4 to 6 inch in diameter. There's several little components that make up the clamp. You've got the two clamping mechanisms and then you've got the support piece inside, hence the name Cush-A-Clamp. It cushions the clamp between a rigid connection on the outside of the pipe versus the connector itself. It puts that barrier between the two of them. Helps in vibration and isolation in many different areas. One of the things that happens with this particular product, over the course of time, the plastic insert will erode. And you can see in the sample that I have in front of us, a typical piping run is going to have several different connections supporting it over a certain space or duration of space. And what ends up happening in the time that this starts to disintegrate and fall apart, a new insert needs to be put in. Well, it's very difficult to put a new insert in of this geometry because you literally have to disassemble the entire piping run as far as the supports go. Replace the support and then tighten them all back down. There's been a new advancement in the Cush-A-Clamp, and you can see the primary difference between the two of these is the black one actually has a square bottom on both sides. The purple one here actually has one side is rounded and the other side is square. And what that allows you to do is to actually put the clamp into position without having to loosen the additional clamps in the piping run. One of the other features of this particular product is this upper section here. One of the things that has happened over the years, you can actually over tighten the old design where you could deform the pipe clamp. In the new design, you'll notice that it has a shoulder, and the shoulder directly goes into that voided opening, so now you pinch the connection at the top, limiting how much force you actually put on the pipe itself. So what I'm going to do is show you how easy it is to go ahead and replace this. All you do is you take this particular insert now and you open it up, and after you open it, you spread it around the pipe, and you do nothing more than rotate it back into position. Take the two halves of the clamp, put them in position. Take the nut that you originally took off and go ahead and tighten it back down again. Much simpler way of being able to make the connection or the replacement. Also keep in mind this new design in the purple color, this is actually rated for UV. And UV is the #1 reason why the black insert will degrade over the course of time. Here. So the Cush-A-Clamp is available online at unistrutohio.com. It's also available for general purchase through contacting Unistrut Service Company directly. I want to take this time and thank you for joining us today, and have a good day.